Okay guys, we have a simple video updated for today. So we going this pants, we make a walking short because it's short in my from toe to bottom. So this is a short video only for today, how quickly. So from here we need to stretch this, okay, and then we're going to measuring by 20 long, okay. So it's 20 long from the hips, from here, from here to here, okay. Depends to you if you want 21, 22, it depends the height. Okay, so for now we're going to put a mark from here, the hips to the legs, 20. Okay, it's dry now, so it's easy to cut this from here. It's my shortcut, okay. As long as you see the line, okay. Okay, and then you flip it again, the other side. Okay, so flip it again, then measuring again up to 20 inch from the hips, from here, okay. See the mark. If your pen is dry, you can use the pencil. As long as you can see the line, that's your guide only, okay. Just cut straight, don't be rush. That's it. So see it, it's easy to do if you have a shorts to become walking shorts with stylish, okay. Stylish, see, like this stylish design, see, with design, see the design, it's like a zombie style, okay. So you can use after cutting, okay. No need stitching because the one additional style. If you're passionate that person, it's easy to do, okay. Cut it,